What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Today we have one box of 2017-18 Prizm basketball. First off the line, got Rainey here with me.
What is up, guys and gals?
We got same setup as the couple videos before this. We got 12 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. We're looking for 2 autos. Well, kinda. We're more looking for the color and the crazy Prizms out here. So, Rainey, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's pull some heat out of here, man.
Yep.
Pull some heat, man. And of course, with this, first off the line, you do get the 2 red shimmers numbered to 8. That's the only difference between this and the actual retail product that is out now. All right.
It's a beautiful sight there.
It is a beautiful sight. Time to rip it all up, man. You ready?
I am ready.
First pack. No whammies.
No way. Good call, good call.
Alright, we start off with a Goran Dragic, Jaylen Brown, Pascal Siakam, Dirk Nowitzki, Dante Exum, Jameer Nelson, Kyrie Irving. We got a Fundamentals, Buddy Hield. We got a Silver Tim Hardaway Jr. We got a Ruby Wave of Dante Exum, Tyreke Evans, and Doug McDermott. Not much happening in that pack.
Not much happening on that one.
Yeah, that's fine. It's a slow start.
It's okay. Get that one out of the way.
Yeah. At least we didn't get any coaches.
That's true.
Yogi Ferrell, Hassan Whiteside, Marcus Smart, Timofey Mozgov, Rudy Gobert. Got a Luke Kennard rookie card. Etuan Moore. We got an emergent of John Collins. Playing pretty well down there in Atlanta.
You had to say it.
Hyper Prizm of Scott Brooks. Ooh.
Dang. That's sharp.
That is, I think that is a Mojo, man. Is it a Mojo? Numbered 1 of 25. Mojo Prizm Fundamentals.
Very nice.
That is one sick card.
That is a sick card.
That is sweet. Raymond Felton, Patty Mills. That is nice. I think CJ McCollum, he's just unappreciated in the hobby, though.
He really is.
That's just because he's behind Dame time.
Yeah.
Got Earl Watson, Justin Jackson rookie card. Look at that. Bam Adebayo rookie card. That's the first one we've hit.
Nice.
Oh, look at that. Benjamin Simmons base.
Oh, there we go.
Malcolm Brogdon. Alan Crabb. Dennis Schrader. Got a Fundamentals of Nikola Jokic. We got a Silver Pop.
Silver Pop. Silver Fox.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to put that up on eBay for like $4.99 or buy it now, or best offer. Jay Crowder, Ruby Wave. Got a Fred Hoiberg and Deontay Davis. Nothing like hitting them Coach Prizms.
Silver Pops.
Hey, if they had a pop auto in here, though, I'd be all over it.
Right.
Tyler Ulis. There's Vince Carter. There's Cat.
Nice.
Mike Budenholzer. Got a rookie card of Tyler Lydon. Check Diallo. Tony Snell. Fundamentals of Kyrie Irving. A silver of Clint Capella. We got a silver Fundamentals of Wesley Matthews, Jeremy Grant, and Miles Turner. Not much happening in this box so far, man. The last 2 have been insane, so I guess that's...
It's gonna happen.
Right. Yeah. Lucas Nogueira, Steph's brother, Dion Waiters, IT4, Scott Brooks, Amon Shumpert, Damari Carroll. Got an emergent of DJ Wilson. We got a hyper prism of Amon Shumpert. We have a hyper of John Stockton fundamentals. Thomas Bryant, rookie card. Don't even know who that is, really. And Marvin Williams.
Let me sleeve that.
Yeah, go ahead. Some of them top rookies, you just never know, man. So we don't have an auto or a red shimmer yet, do we?
Nope.
Andrew Wiggins, OG rookie card. Wesley Matthews, Giannis base, Jason Smith, Jay Crowder, Jared Allen rookie card, Justin Jackson emergent, got a Damari Carroll hyper, a Nicholas Batum blue. Those are numbered to 199. Tony Parker and Robin Lopez. Halfway through the box, we don't have any of the red shimmers or autos yet. Just had to get that half out of the way, man. It's time.
Sing the bangers for last.
Yeah. Sean Livingston, JJ Redick, Marquise Chris, Terry Stotts, Kent Bazemore, we got Nikola Jokic, Rajon Rondo. Oh, please be an auto, man. Is that an auto? Oh, it is an auto. This guy is killing it. Lauri Markkanen, rookie auto. I think he's the next Dirk. We'll see.
We'll see.
Got a Nate McMillan, silver. Once again, love the silver coaches. Oh, that's sweet.
Oh, nice.
That is cool. Get hyped. Hyper Prism of Steph. Really cool. We got Bojan and Jeff Hornacek. That was a nice rookie auto.
Yeah.
All right, we got George Hill, Frank Vogel, Norman Powell, J.J. Barea, a rookie of DJ Wilson. Got Ian Mahinmi.
In Miami.
Yeah. I'm not sure. I know I butchered that name. Derrick Rose, Donovan Mitchell, emergent. Got a Joe Ingles Hyper Prism. Ooh, we got a blue John Collins rookie card, and that is numbered to 199. Got an MKG and DeJounte Murray. 4 packs left. We're still missing technically 3 of our hits.
Yep.
Oh, this pack's hard to get into.
Good sign, good sign.
That mean anything? Let's see. We got Tyson Chandler, Dwight Powell, Joe Ingles. I think we got a red shimmer here, man. Michael Malone, Solomon Hill, Jeremy Lin, and oh wow.
Oh!
Fundamentals John Wall. Numbered 6. 6 of 8. That is sick. A little PC action.
Sick.
Last box we got the cat.
Yep.
For your
So we
PC.
both, yeah, came out good
Andrew
on
Wiggins and look, silver prism, Juwan Evans. Sweet. And a ruby. God, this a ruby wave Jared Allen rookie card. Just a loaded pack.
Wow.
Pau Gasol and Nene. Loaded pack there. Still got an auto left. And still got a red shimmer left. So you got Steve Kerr, Robert Covington, Dragon Bender, rookie card of De'Aaron Fox. Nice. Rookie card of John Collins. Jamal Murray, rookie card of Frank Jackson. We have fundamentals of Marcin Gortat. We got the base Get Hyped of Steph Curry. Ooh, we got a purple Tyler Ulis.
Ooh, nice.
That's pretty cool looking. Numbered 11 of 75. Pretty sweet.
Yeah, that's pretty slick.
Blake Griffin and a rookie of Dwayne Bacon. 2 packs left, and we still have 2 hits. So,
better be.
Yeah. File a complaint to Panini. Andre Iguodala. Markelle Fultz, rookie card.
Nice.
Brett Brown. Zach Collins, rookie card. We got a red shimmer in here, man.
Nice.
Let's see. You got Ersan Ilyasova, Kenny Atkinson, and Willie Cauley-Stein, red shimmer.
And the auto, maybe?
8 of 8. And the auto. Ike. And this guy. Wearing a suit because he's never played in the game. I haven't watched the Pacers, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, same
Mindaugas Kuzminskas, silver. You got Jason Smith, Ruby Wave, Travion Graham, rookie card, and Rudy Gay. And last pack, guys. Got a Davin Reed, rookie card. Frank Mason, rookie card. Jeff Teague, Dwayne Casey, Thon Maker, Damian Lillard, J.R. Smith, the fundamentals of Gary Payton, Russell Westbrook, get hyped.
Seriously, man.
Blue ice of...
They shouldn't be able to do
the parallels.
Yeah, parallels of coaches.
Eric Gordon and Patrick Beverly. Well, that does it for the video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos very, very soon. So, until next time, y'all keep ripping.